In this tutorial, we will learn how Amadine works with images. Although the app is a vector editor, a significant part of this video will be about raster images. Most often, they are used in vector designs as backgrounds and textures. There are several ways to bring an image into the Amadine document. We can use the Import command in the File menu and then choose Photos or File. Another method is copying an image in some app and pasting it in Amadine. In both these cases, the image isn't scaled. For example, if it has 1024 pixels per side, it will have the same size in the document. There is also an alternative approach. We can fill a shape with an image. To do that, we open the Appearance panel, tap on the circle of the Fill property, and open the Image tab. Then we tap on the Image button and navigate to the file. All settings in this panel will be explained soon. All these methods have two things in common. They place an image inside a shape, either one that you selected or a rectangle if you use import or copy-paste. Secondly, the image fill settings are available even if you didn't use the panel to import the image. Let's see what they do. The Image button, as we already know, lets you import an image. The preview on the right displays the imported image. The Fill Type control defines how the image fits the shape. We have three options here: Fill, Stretch, and Tile. The Fill fits the image into the shape. Some image parts may become invisible if they go outside the shape. By default, either width or height of the image fits the shape exactly. The center of the image coincides with the center of the shape. We can change this by moving the image with the help of this handle. The X and Y fields show the distance between the centers of the image and shape. The next control rotates the image in relation to the shape. The Scale slider resizes the image. Let me remind you that the controls that take numeric values can be operated in two ways. The quick method is by sliding over the control with your finger. For the second way, tap on the control and then input a value. Now let's set the Fill type to Stretch. This option automatically adjusts the image width and height to fit the shape. It's likely that your image will become distorted. Notice that most of the controls are not available now. After switching the Fill type to Tile, the settings in the panel work mostly in the same way as with the Fill option. In order to see what is different, we need to reduce the image scale. In the Tile mode, the image replicates endlessly, filling the entire shape. In the Fill mode, there's only one copy of the image. The space around it is empty. We haven't yet touched upon the Opacity and Blend mode settings at the top of the panel. With the Opacity control, you can make the image transparent. The Blend mode options define how the colors of the image interact with colors of other objects. This tutorial doesn't cover this functionality. The Amadine app supports importing the PDF and SVG formats as well. That enables you to edit files in these formats and to also add vector elements to your design from outside. Once you import a PDF, it appears in the document as a single object. To edit it, you have to expand it. An imported SVG image can be edited right away. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. Thanks for watching.